This episode explores the idea of genetic lottery winners by meeting individuals and species whose DNA gave them a remarkable edge. We begin with a hummingbird species with an extraordinary metabolic rate and wing structure that allows rapid bursts during courtship and feeding. Then the Greenland shark reveals how extreme longevity and slow aging arise from cellular maintenance and slow metabolism. An axolotl demonstrates how regenerative genes turn scar tissue into perfect redos of limbs and organs. The episode closes by noting how such genetic edges alter ecosystems and spark new questions about evolution and health.